ni si Chandray. So thank you so much guys. Sir August, ma'am, thank you so much Sir August. Sa mga nakatambay dyan, Nanay Monty, thank you so much. Papa Monty, thank you so much. Jane G, thank you so much. Mrs. G, thank you so much. Lady Amethyst, thank you so much. KG Sweet, thank you so much. Sino pa? Sino pa yung pumunta kanina? Eugene Vloggers, Sir Eugene Vloggers, thank you so much. Flames Fan, thank you so much. Mason and Gus Rock, thank you so much. Joey Wig Letner, thank you so much for coming to my live. And also Line Vlogs, Sir Line Vlogs, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Kay sis Chandray tayo nga premiere guys. Let's go guys. Benny, thank you so much for coming. Mega love shout out to you. V7NIJR, thank you so much for coming. Ma'am Wong Regine, thank you so much for coming, Ma'am Regine. Ma'am Miraline Pares, thank you so much, Ma'am Miraline Pares also for coming. Poy Abi TV guys, subscribe din natin Poy Abi TV guys, please. May second account po, please. Maluoy. And then thank you so much also kay Ma'am Alicia Miller of Alaska Trackers. Guys, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I really appreciate po. And also sino pa? Basta guys, sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta sa LS ko ngayon. Guys, magi-start na talaga ang premiere ni Sis Chandray guys. Ayan guys, nag-countdown na po. Let's go. Sana kapin guys. Let's go. Support tayo guys. Support guys. Let's go guys. Sir August, daanan natin si Sir August, si Chandray, support din Sir August. Thank you. Mega love shout out sa lahat na dumalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. No kidding aside po, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. 11 million people in the house. So, i-end na po tayo guys. Kasi lampas na tayo ng 4 hours. 4 hours. So guys, magpapaalam na po ako dito guys. Hindi ko na po I will watch i-watch ko na lang po yung premiere ni Sis Chandray, pero yung LS ko po guys tatapusin ko na po kasi ayoko nang sumubra kasi baka may masagap na naman akong CPR, hindi ko na ma-mute. Kaya thank you so much sa lahat. 12 lovely million people. Let's go sa doon na tayo sa premiere ni Sis Chandray guys. Dito doon na tayo. Sige guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Have a good afternoon, good night, or good evening, wherever you are. Thank you so much. Ingat po. Take care always and God bless us all. Thank you. Have a good night. Don't worry guys, mag-reset ako again for another silent live bago ako matulog. So please check my silent live also guys after this. Let's go see each other guys sa nakapin. Doon na tayo doon na tayo magkita-kita sa premiere ni Sis